up, KT Dynasty? If you are a new viewer, hi, hey, hello, how you doing? And welcome to the family. You guys, if you have not done so already, please make sure you smash that subscribe button. Tap the little notification bell next to it so every single time your girl drops a banger, you can be notified. Also, make sure you like it up. You guys, I'm feeling 100% better than I was, what was it, yesterday? Yesterday I was just like so out of it. Like I said, my son was sick, but I'm back with the energy. And I cooked up a delicious meal. Today we're eating sea scallops on a bed of garlic, lemon butter, asparagus. Oh my goodness. Now this is my first time ever making sea scallops, so hopefully your girl followed directions correctly and they turn out great and I don't get sick. So fingers crossed. I mean, they look like they're done, but yeah, because I was telling you guys I was scared to try sea scallops just because they look so funny. Like, I don't know. Yeah, bomb. Oh my god. Let me get some of this asparagus. Y'all, I need to open my own restaurant. This is a whole look. That looks fancy as heck, doesn't it? I know. But this is seriously really good, you guys. Oh my goodness. And asparagus is crunchy. And then I have my delicious lemon water. You guys. This is so good. I love trying new things, you guys. Especially if it's like so simple. Like this was so simple to cook. Oh my god, it's so bomb. Okay, what's today? Happy Sunday, everybody. Oops. Today is Sunday. Tomorrow is President's Day. The kids don't have school again. They had a 4-day weekend. Can you believe it? I've been helping my son with his book report presentation. So bomb. You guys, I don't know what's been going on lately, but when I eat regular meat outside of seafood, like the only other meat we really eat is like turkey and sometimes beef, but beef hasn't been like affecting me that much. But for some reason, outside of seafood, all other meat has been like making me super nauseous. And that hasn't happened since I was like pregnant. So I don't know what that means. I'm on Depo right now, so that's like probably impossible. But it's just not a good feeling. So I'm just gonna stick to seafood. I don't got time to be walking around feeling nauseous all the time. That's the worst feeling in the world. But when I eat seafood, any kind of seafood, doesn't even matter what it is, I feel fine. So and vegetables, like I have to eat vegetables too, and fruit. So I don't know if this is God's way of telling me the only way to be healthy is if you eat unhealthy stuff and that make you nauseous. So I'm just gonna try to stay away from the other stuff. I don't know. It's so good. One of my favorite mukbangers, her name is KELSEY AB. Y'all, you need to check her out. She is so flippin' hilarious. It's not even funny. And she eats a lot of seafood on her channel too. And this morning, I found out something new that I did not know. Her beautiful girlfriend has a mukbang channel too, and she eats seafood there too.
Mom.
What?
Your phone is stuck on this side of the bed because it fell.
Well, get it. Who dropped it down there? It needs to be on the charger.
It fell by itself.
Go get it, please.
Try again, but it's stuck.
Well, tell Daddy. This is so bomb. I love cooking with lemon. I just like that extra, like, zingy, zesty taste with everything. Only with seafood, though. It just gives you so much life, like seafood and some veggies. I real life could be a pescatarian. But I do like chicken wings. And my kids love seafood too. Like, they'll eat crab legs all day. And I really miss eating seafood with my fiance. Like, we used to do crab king mukbangs, but just recently, if y'all keep up with the KT Dynasty, you'll know that one video I did, he was in the background, like real life suffering. Like, he had an allergic reaction to some shrimp, like, of all things, shrimp. So I miss eating seafood with him. I miss doing mukbangs with him, period. Antonio, did you get my phone? Put it back on the charger, please. I'm using hubby's phone today, so Lemon water is so refreshing. And it's great for like really flushing out your system. Comment down below if I should start an ASMR channel. I figured that'd be kind of hard to do unless the ASMR channel is just like strictly like snacks. Excuse me. Like crunchy snacks. Because your girl is not about to try to eat 2 times a day. That's not gonna happen. Oh my god. Yeah. Asparagus is so bomb. I remember when I was younger at home, my mom used to like I think steam it. We would eat it with like Thousand Island dressing. And then I got older and learned other things I can do with it. Sauteed is the best way to eat it. I'm gonna try to look up some baked recipes too. Oh my god, I almost just lost my scallop. I'm trying to let it sit over here in these juices. I want to say the best for last. Like when I'm down to like 2 asparagus, that's probably when I'll get back to the scallops. How's everybody's weekend going? You guys having a good weekend? Got all this garlic here, you guys. Yum. And just like, it brings so much flavor. Dang. I usually eat like later than my family eats, unless that day we're all eating the same thing, but 9 times out of 10, I always feed them first, get them out the way, so the boys aren't bothering me during the video, so hubby's not bothering me during the video, and hubby can watch the baby so I can do these videos. Wow, you guys, that is truly amazing. Has anybody been to the new aquarium in Central West End? If you live in St. Louis, I really want to go there. Is it open? It's open all year round. I mean, because I know they opened it like, what was it? Christmas Day or something like that. Look how tender these are, you guys. Like, scallops are bomb. I don't know why I was so scared to try them, but I might be incorporating them with my seafood. Because, man, they don't take that long to cook. And they have a really nice flavor. Oh, I really want to try it with some B-Loves like sauce. And I gotta try that Dame Dash sauce, you guys. I've been seeing a lot of people try that too. So delicious. I think I swallowed a seed. Whew. I'm full. Alright, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you're a new viewer and you made it this far, please hit that subscribe button down below, right over here in this little area. Stop. Don't y'all hate it when your kids are literally burning a hole in the side of your head? They're literally like staring at you, doing something super freaking annoying, and they keep doing it until you look over there and yell at them, and they know they're being annoying. That's annoying. Like, they just keep doing it until you say something. But anyways, you guys, please make sure you check the description box down below. You'll be able to find the link to my Instagram. Make sure you head on over there and follow me on Instagram. And please tap my other 2 channel links and subscribe to those channels as well. I'll be doing a giveaway on all 3 channels. And I will see y'all sooner rather than later. I love y'all. Peace.